Okay, moving on to question 2. So it's pretty much the same as question 1. We are just using the surface area of the cylinder. In 2a, we were told that the radius is 2 and the height is 3. So we would just replace the radius r with a 2. And we also want to replace h, the height, with 3. So 2 squared is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. We have 8 pi. Again, we are just leaving the pi alone because they want the answer in terms of pi. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. Now 8 pi plus 12 pi is just 20 pi. So 20 pi centimeter squared. That's 2a. 2b. Surface area equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. We can see from the diagram that the radius is 4 and the height is 7. We replace the r with a 4 and the h with 7. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. And we add it up. We get 88 pi centimeter squared. 2c. Surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. This time we see that the diameter is 4.2, so the radius will just be half of that, half of the diameter, so the radius is 2.1. And the height is 5.4. So we replace all the r with 2.1 in the equation, and we replace the h with 5.4. So 2.1 squared times 2 is 8.82. And then 2 times 2.1 times 5.4 is 22.68. So 22.68 plus 8.82, we get 31.5 pi. And this will be in centimeters squared. 2D. Same idea. Surface area equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. The radius is 2.5 and the height is 3 1/3. So we get 2 pi r, radius is 2.5, so just 2.5. And height is 3 1/3. I can convert this back into an improper fraction. I should get 10/3. Just easier to type those numbers in. That's why I changed them. So 2 times 2.5 squared, I get 12.5 pi plus 2 times 2.5 times 10/3. I get 50/3 pi. So 50/3 plus 12.5 is 29 and 1/6 pi. Okay, maybe I'll show you, I'll show you when or maybe on the next video of how to type these in onto your calculator. Well, maybe I can show you that here. Let me show you that. 12.5. So that was, the last calculation was a 12.5 plus 50/3, I believe. So 50, I want to use that for the fraction, 50/3. Go to the right. And it gives me a improper fraction. I can change that back to a mixed fraction. You see this yellow button here. So press shift and then press that. So that's how I got my 29 1/6. If I press that one more time, it will be changed to decimals. So use this button. Okay, I will see you in the next video for question 3.